Coach, congratulations. Straight set win for PLDT against Creamline. Ano yung masasabi mo sa good start ng team in this conference?
Yun nga, every time na Creamline talaga yung kalaban na gusto talaga namin yung challenge. Nilalabas talaga nila yung laro ng mga players na alam nila na big game talaga palagi. Especially bumalik si Gia and Pons, nataas yung respect namin sa dalawa. Kaya naging ganoon din yung tutok. Siguro sumakto lang din talaga na yung momentum coming from our training camp, medyo nandun pa. Kaya very happy kami sa naging result.
Coach Savvy, triple-double performance in this game. And in the first set, you scored at least 13 points against Creamline. What was your mindset heading into this match?
I mean, I've been working a lot on patience and waiting all week and not trying to, come out strong because Creamline and their fans, they can make it a really hard environment to play in. So I'm just glad that, we were able to keep calm and stick at our 80% throughout the match.
Sabi, this is a full force Creamline with Gia returning and also Ponsa. How big is this win for you to start this conference?
You know what? They were pretty intimidating when they came out. I'm not gonna lie. Like all of them were complete, and I knew that it was gonna be a hard match. But I'm like I said, I'm just happy that we were able to win tonight, and we'll do this. We'll try to do this every game coming forward. And I don't want to talk too far ahead, but it's one game at a time.
Coach, in 2023 po ata kayo muling natalo sa Queensland. So tuloy-tuloy po kami sila mastery sa kanila. So parang lang po, pagdating sa mga tougher opponents po, kahit nung nag-champion kayo last year, ano po yung parang na-unlock na PLDT na attribute kumbaga na kapag tumitindi yung expectations or humihirap yung palaban, mas nag-rise to the occasion po doon.
Dami na.
Ay, sorry.
Joke lang. Siguro habang tumatagal lang na under sila sa system namin, yung maturity sa kayong patience talaga yung medyo number one. Saka yun na, yung psychological edge na gusto natin ituro. Tinatry talaga siya every game na maging consistent pa. Pero yun nga, learning process pa rin sa amin. Ang naging goal lang talaga namin, hindi namin naisip yung lahat ng hugot. Talagang ngayong game lang yung naging focus namin. Walang halong any baggage. Personally, naging happy lang kami na kahit bigla kami nagkulang, si Aliyah kasi nagkaroon ng sakit noong Saturday. Nag-step up pa rin si Joey. Yung gusto namin i-diin kasi baka hinaharap na naman si Aliyah rin nakabahan na naman. Pero at least nakuha namin.
And Sabi, that break over the last few months, you haven't had a lot of those during a busy 2025. So how much did that help you, I guess?
A lot of
How much did that break, this holiday break, help you to come out strong?
I mean, I love rest. I love to go home. So it's just nice to, see my family on the other side and for everyone to kind of just go and share the love to the people that, aren't here in Manila and you come back with a full heart and a fresh brain. And it's nice that we were able to go to Japan together too. It was that kind of bonding edge that we needed, even though, we're a really tight-knit group. But I mean, being together for 2 weeks in a hotel, it does some things to you. So I'm just glad that we were able to push through the week and then kind of get back into training here in the Philippines.
So you said that this Creamline competing is intimidating. Yeah. Can you talk about that? And it's your first time facing Gia. Gia is also the national team captain.
I mean, her hands are really hard to read. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I could swing either way, but them coming out the full lineup together, I don't think I've seen that since the first year I was here. There's always been one or two people that were missing, and having Gia back, she didn't even play for Creamline before, when I just started. So seeing them all together and seeing how individually, like, they're strong athletes, it can become a little intimidating when you're watching them line up and be like, oh my gosh, there's not one weak link here. So, yeah, they're fierce.
Coach, sa'yo siguro gano'ng kalaking bagay yung intact pa rin yung team mo, yung mga nag-champion last year na players, magkakasama pa rin kayo?
Siguro malaking bagay talaga siya. Although nawala si Del, pero yung lesson sa amin ng reinforced, kahit going to reinforce pa lang na yung mindset nga ng players na medyo short conference lang yung reinforced and support yung pinuha ng import, na sana after nun kami yung mag-gain sa mga magiging players going to this All Filipino. So yun nga, happy kami na kahit nakulangan kami ng isa, kahit pa na solid pa rin yung pinaka-core namin. Thank you po.
Thank you.